Every original character deserves to step off the page and into the real world. How does a child's original character come to life from nothing? It all begins with the first sketch. The students develop the character's appearance, expression, and personality, adding small details that make it completely their own. Next, they transform the two-dimensional drawing into a digital model that can be viewed and rotated in 360 degrees. The students will discover that something which works on paper may not necessarily work in 3D. From imagination to modeling, every revision helps the character become more complete. Then comes the moment when the students watch their designs being brought into the physical world. The final stage, painting, decorating, and applying those special details, really brings the character to life and leaves the students with an inspiring result, being able to see their imagination made manifest in physical form. What the students experience is much more than creating an original character. From developing the initial concepts to 3D modeling, printing, painting, and packaging, they take part in a complete product development process.
This is my character Bonnie, and he's this magical dream keeper that helps people keep happy, and he reminds them of their happy memories and dreams.
I am going to be showing you my chef. He's based on my favorite celebrity social media creator, aka cook. His name is Nick Giovanni, so this is my miniature Nick Giovanni. I hope you really like it.
So I made this character because I like cheese, and it also likes cheese. And the skin kind of scares me because I've gone over it 20 times. It's a tear. But I made it look like sticks for some reason. I don't know.
He's called Clay. He's a warrior who is in a bunch of different outfits. In this one, he's in a bamboo themed outfit.
And my character's name is Kai.
And my character's name is Charlie.
Ship them together, so their ship name is
Chai.
Their name is Barista, and they work in the hospital as a cafe worker. They work minimum wage. They like money and coins.
So this is my character. Her name is Welight. This is her weapon to kill people for no questionable reason.
It has an antimatter reactor in his chest, a jetpack here, which runs on antimatter, goggles, reinforced ears.
Her name is Ali the Apple. I looked at Amy's 3D design, and I was like, that hair looks pretty cool. So I kind of got inspiration from that, and I also did like a leafy dress because it's like from a tree.
Today, as AI and digital technologies continue to develop rapidly, we encourage our students to understand and use these tools, while knowing why they have made each design choice, what they want to express, and how to carry an idea through to completion. The designers of the future will, of course, need imagination as well as the ability to work with new technologies. No matter how technology evolves, young artists continue to have the courage to express who they are and the real ability to bring their ideas into the world.